Alright, update on Elon. It's going to be a quick one today because like I said in yesterday's video, I think it is going to be a boring couple of days while we are waiting for this Fed meeting to get done. So I'm going to mark a horizontal ray. I'll make this blue. You can see this correlates to the 4th of May. Now, if you didn't watch my previous videos, I will just quickly inform you that we do have the next Federal Reserve meeting between the 3rd and 4th of May. I've been in crypto for a long time. I've been in Elon for the past half a year or so, and the amount of Fed meetings I've seen scare investors out the market is a very common theme. I talked about this before, but you come over to Bitcoin, you come over to your altcoins, it doesn't matter which one it is. Coming into these Fed meetings like a week before, we always sideways accumulate / chop to the downside as investors leave the market in fear. But almost always as soon as these Fed meetings are done, we literally pump out of here like there's no tomorrow. So like I said, it's going to be a boring couple of days for Elon. It's going to be boring today. It was boring yesterday. It's probably going to be boring tomorrow. Honestly, judging based on how this pattern looks, it could look like we might be having a throwback to the bottom of this channel at 8:10 before we do get out of here. I think something like this could definitely happen, where we get an extreme rally coming out the Fed meeting, we cool off for a bit, consolidate, and then we get out of here later on. I think something like that's going to happen. If we come over to your other chart here, see if there's anything else going on. I mean, to be fair, since we broke down from this, doesn't seem like there's too much going on in the market at this moment in time. This would be predicting a move down to 6-7. What did the last one do? Let's see. So the last one's price target was actually hit. So I mean, this is an ugly price target. I don't necessarily think it will be hit whatsoever. I feel like this is way too extreme. Elon is already kind of accumulating to the side for the past month, really. I mean, we did have that huge rally. Where did it go? Yeah, it was that huge rally in one day. I mean, we've wiped out almost all the gains for it, so I really don't think there's much of a flaw to go down on Elon. It really does seem like Elon is holding up more bullish than most of the Dogecoins. You can see, your 786 Fibonacci was down here. We had a very convincing double bottom here. We then started to move up. We moved above your 618. We're currently below your 618, so that's the only somewhat negative thing I have to say about Elon. But bear in mind, you come over to your Dogecoins, you come over to Dogecoin. I don't even think we were running a fib on Doge. We don't need to. I mean, I don't need to draw a fib on Doge to know that it's below absolutely everything. You can see we're below your 786. Shiba, you're just holding your 786, like just holding it, but you're barely holding it. And I'd probably argue that you could draw it from down here as well, and then at which point you would not be holding your 786. So Elon still looks more bullish than all the other Dogecoins in my opinion. Like I said, it's going to be a boring couple of days. We're waiting for the Fed meeting to be done. At this moment in time, we're just going to keep on getting chopped up and down, sideways. I don't think we're going to be getting ready for any big moves in the next 2 days. However, coming into the 4th and the 5th of May, I do believe we'll have some good analysis on what's going on those days. I think something will definitely happen, but as of now, like I said, I can't drag a video on when there's nothing to talk about. That is really all I've got for you today for Elon. Not much going on in the markets at all. We're falling below your 4-hourly EMA ribbons, just got rejected from the 618 fib. So, like I said, I could imagine a move down to 809 could definitely be underway. It's only a 9% move for Elon. If we come over to your 1 hour, we are coming back into your 1-hourly EMA ribbon, so I could imagine us poking our head back up to the 9 region, maybe 907, before we do come down. Really, like I said, these are all such short-term moves because the price action is going to be boring coming into the Fed meeting. I look forward to updating you after the Fed meeting. I will update you before then if we do have any major moves. If not, we'll probably just be chilling, so I wouldn't worry. If you're an Elon, you can probably put your phone away for a day, go on vacation. I don't think anything's going to happen over the next 48 hours. That is all I've got for you today for Elon. As always, none of this is financial advice, just my opinion on the market, and as always, cowboy out. Peace.